أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the 19th part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic for Beginners, Book 1. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. Still talking about how to make a simple request in Arabic. Arba number 4. أريد أن أشتري شيئا. I want to buy something. أريد أن أشتري شيئا. I want to buy something. أريد أن أشتري شيئا. I want to buy something. أريد أن أشتري شيئا. I want to buy something. أريد أن أشتري شيئا. I want to buy something. خمسة number 5. خمسة number 5. أريد أن أذهب إلى البيت. I want to go home. أريد أن أذهب إلى البيت. I want to go home. أريد أن أذهب إلى البيت. I want to go home. أريد أن أذهب إلى البيت. I want to go home. أريد أن أذهب إلى البيت. I want to go home. أريد أن أذهب إلى البيت. I want to go home. Now by extension. ستة number 6. أنا مريض. I am sick. 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 number 7. كنت مريضا. I was sick. 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 8. أنا جوعان. I am hungry. 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 number 9. أنت شبعان. You are full stomach. أنت شبعان. You are full stomach. That means you are not hungry. أنت شبعان. You are full stomach. أنت شبعان. You are full stomach. أنت شبعان. You are full stomach. Anta means you in Arabic, while Ana means I. Ana, I. Anta, you. Ashara, number 10. Ashara. Ana atishan. I am thirsty. Ana atishan. I am thirsty. That means I am hungry for drinking water. I am hungry for water. Or I am hungry for drinking water. Ana atishan. I am thirsty. Ana atishan. I am thirsty. Ana atishan. I am thirsty. Ahada ashara, 11. Anta rayyan. You are thirst free, or you are not thirsty. Anta rayyan. You are not thirsty. That means you are thirst free. You are free from thirst. Anta rayyan. You are thirst free. Anta rayyan. You are not thirsty. Anta rayyan. You are not thirsty. That means you are not hungry for drinking water. MashaAllah. That is the end of the book. Arabic for Beginners, Book 1. Watch out for Book 2, Insha'Allah. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Kindly like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. Ma'as-salama wa ila liqa'in akhar. Whatever that you have learned from the book, make sure you make use of it in your day-to-day conversation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.